Are you ready to be blown away by a model home tour? We're at the Sabal by DRB Homes here at Seaire. Let's go check it out. Coming into the courtyard now. This is normally a third car garage. On this model, they've actually made it into a mother-in-law suite, but we're gonna start in the main house. Get ready to be blown away. So this is a semi-custom builder. You can customize your ceiling. You can have a wet bar here. This is gonna be off your main family room, your living space. And check out this kitchen. It's got a double island, which is kind of rare. So you got breakfast bar seating on this island. So if you're an entertainer or a chef, this is the kitchen for you. Custom cabinets with glass insert. And you have a butler's pantry back here, again, with more cabinet and countertop space, followed by a huge walk-in pantry. You got a double oven here, plenty of space. You have a farmhouse sink on this island here. And off the kitchen, you have a huge space here for formal dining room. This is a big table. It's got 8 chairs. Check out these windows in that view. Now we're entering the family room again. You got a fireplace over here. Now we're gonna go check out the owner suite, which is located in the back of the home. Check out this owner suite. Beautiful tray ceiling, wood beam, and check out all this space. And check out these windows with all this natural light. Now onto the ensuite bathroom. You have dual sinks, quartz countertops, and check out this huge glass enclosed shower. Check out this rain shower. And 2 shower heads here with 4 controls. And it's got his own closet and hers closet. So everybody has their own closet. Now let's go check out the rest of the house. So on this wing of the home, you're gonna have a half bathroom, another bedroom with walk-in closet. It's got a closet right over there. And we're gonna turn the corner and we have a full bathroom over here. Quartz countertop, tub shower combo. Now this would be the door that brings you into the multi-generational suite. When you walk in, it has its own like little living space right here. And this room's got a lot of natural light with the windows, and you can customize it however you want. And then this connects to its own private bedroom and bathroom, quartz countertop, and a glass enclosed walk-in shower, and its own walk-in closet. This bedroom has 4 windows. Look at all this natural light. And the multi-gen room also connects to the main house through this hallway. Now we're gonna check out this side of the home. You got your laundry room here, cabinets, laundry sink, washer dryer. You have a mud room here with cabinet, bench seating. Again, you can customize this however you want. All right, we're gonna turn the corner here and you have another bedroom. It has its own small walk-in closet and its own private ensuite bathroom. Quartz countertop, tub shower combo. And now let's go check out the upstairs. And it doesn't stop there. Now we're upstairs. Check out this huge bonus room. They have it set up as a game room / secondary living space. This would be perfect for the kids. There's 2 other bedrooms up top. We're gonna hook this way. You got a full bath here, quartz countertop, glass enclosed shower. And then this is right next to another secondary bedroom here. Beautiful natural light coming in through all these windows. And check out this beachy background and a good sized closet. Now we're gonna walk across. As I'm walking past it, look how huge this room is. There's a lot you could do up here. And then this brings us into another full bedroom with a walk-in closet. And again, multiple windows bringing in a lot of natural light. Now let's go check out this upstairs balcony. You got a triple slider, so this will pocket and open all the way up. And the view of your backyard. Now let's go downstairs and check out the backyard. You have sliders that open onto a covered patio. And look how huge this covered patio is. You got an outdoor kitchen. You got space for a table, couch, a TV. It opens onto custom seating and fire pit right in your backyard. And check out some of these home sites out here at Seaire. And even Fido could have his own little custom doghouse back here. If you're interested in exploring luxury lagoon living, give me a call, 813-587-2424. Please like and subscribe for future community and new home tours. Please remember I can help you with any builder, new home community, or resale home. I'll see you in the next video.